information on the stocks. Usually in the Mediterranean zone. We saw them during September, November. So right now we're in November. These are a couple of seedlets that were planted from the seedlings pots, and now they are planted as they are, like a foot distance between one another in a zigzag manner, as you can see. So during April, so within 4 to 5 months, we will have the flowering of such plants. The stocks are not suitable for people who have asthma and other allergies. This is one of the most flower that has these features of having a lot of small flowers one next to the other, but the scent is one of the most strongest that can be found in amongst all flowers. So the stocks is not suitable for those people who have such allergies. However, the stock is one of the most sought after for the flower arrangements, because it's one of the most versatile flowers that one can find, so that the arrangements are done easier with such flowers when you have these colors. So there are the white colors, there is also purple, and there is also yellow flowers. So basically, in zones where there is no snow, so like in the Mediterranean, for example, it's a winter type of flower, which, as I said, we will harvest the flowers during April. So the stocks are ideal for flower arrangements during the Big Friday events and so on. Okay. Weak spot for this flower is the cabbage butterfly. The cabbage butterfly will do the eggs on these type of flowers. So that is the most drawback that we have for this plant. Otherwise, there is minimal efforts to grow this stocks. You need a male and a female, so that female with the seeds will be pollinated from the double flowers on a single flower, so that we have ideally as much flowers with a double flower. I will show you again the distinction between the double flower and the single flower stem, so you will easily recognize them. The idea is to have the double blossomed flowers as much as possible, so you need to have them both near each other to have a successful pollination for the next year. Okay, seeds can be retained from one year to the other. They are very, very small. Each pod, because the flower will produce a lot of pods, each pod will have roughly 20 to 50 seeds, depending on the pod size as well. So there is quite a large number of seeds. So when we are going to plant, we have to do thinning properly, and then we select the best out of the remaining ones. Thank you. I hope this was a bit of information for you, and hope you like and of course subscribe and share this video for more.